This is the approach road and the present work going at Vaishnaoi Southwoods, and I will be keeping all these details in the description box. You can go through it, and I will be adding a form where you can give your contact details and connect to me directly. Thanks for watching my video, and once if you give the contact details, you will be having all the collaterals of this project. You can download and you can go through it. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks once again. The opposite is on IRA Elevate. It's this one project. You can see the structures work is going on, and this is the internal part of the video. Here is the Ayyappa Swami temple. This will be there as it is, and one villa is getting ready for the sake of model, and this is the sales office happening here, and the internal roads are getting ready. You can see a beautiful homes here in another time. Thanks for watching my video. This is the road which we are going towards Vaishnaoi Southwoods. This covers from Shamshabad. It is called Siddhaya Road. You can see the board here of Southwoods. See, this is around 4 kilometers, but this need not be the main purpose. We have other connectivity roads, and this is one once we come from Shamshabad. Otherwise, if you are coming from airport, you can take exit number 16 and reach the project with very good roads. The weather is also cloudy. This is around 3 kilometers. Right now I'm away from the project. Every 200 meters you can see these yellow boards of Vaishnaoi Southwoods. This is nothing but to make you to understand the infrastructure, what is there near to this project. So that narrow passage we have crossed off now, and 4-lane road. We are approaching
towards the project within say 1.5 kilometer to the max. This is called Utkor Mogdapur Road, Mamidipally Road. So it is a connecting road. Another 1.2 kilometers. So these are all the future residential land parcels with good, as of today, very good infrastructure for connecting villages.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Mamidipally Road.
So another 600 meters we have to take the right turn towards Mamidipally Road.
Turn right onto Mamidipally Road.
This is the junction point where you'll have more of villa projects.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Villa project, it's ongoing. And from here it's just say 200 to 300 meters to reach the project Vaishnaoi Southwoods. This road is also getting widened. In a couple of months you can see a beautiful 100 feet road. Now we reached the
Your
project.
destination is on the left.
This is Prestige Vaishnaoi Southwoods.